Okay, so this is the first time you're gonna hear my voice, probably first incident. So we were doing some lipstick testing on our hands and we saw it's not the same. So we're gonna do that on my lips. So this is the first shade from Swiss Beauty, which is Cute Nude. It is more of a brown shade. This is how I look
Yeah.
in this shade, and let's see. A bit different.
A
yeah.
bit, a lot.
No, a bit.
It gives some oranges tint.
Yeah,
on you,
yeah. Yes.
But
yes.
I do not have any orange tint.
Yes.
It's looking like I don't know. What.
It's looking
Seamless.
like no, it's looking like that you just applied a bit of gloss or something, and not exactly gloss.
It is
Merging,
more of a nude.
It's
Yeah.
merging with your lip shade.
Yes.
Like natural lip
Yes.
shade.
But it's not merging with yours. It's
Yes.
giving a proper shade.
Wipe it off. No offense to Allah, but
Wipe it off. Makeup booth.
hide and Kapoor wiped it off.
Yes. I hope now we are your child.
I did not say that. I did not say that. It's all on her.
मेरे को कोई हेट नहीं करेगा इस चीज के लिए मैं पहली बता रही हूँ
He's married. Now she handed over the different shade. I'm gonna go for the different shade.
okay.
We're going for Nykaa Game On shade. Game On, guys. Listen, my dark feminine comes out once in a while. Why are you reading products?
Because I don't use it and I'm thinking I should use it.
By the way, nothing is sponsored, and if you
Yes.
guys want to sponsor us, Nykaa, go ahead.
Yes, please. We are always there for, you know,
Lipsticks.
color theory.
Lipsticks in general.
Okay.
Okay, this is how it looks on my face. Guys, also I cannot see because I'm not wearing my specs and I do not wear lenses. So I cannot
So basically
see
she's
how...
in the right
Yes, so I can't see
Blind.
how it looks on my face. I'm just telling you guys how it looks. But I do not know myself.
now. Why everything is so light shade on my face and why everything is
That's
so
probably because of the pigment of your lips. That depends on the pigment, not
No.
your face color.
it depends.
It depends, it does, but also on your lip pigment.
Again seamless again.
Way too bright.
You can see something.
Again, wipe it off.
Yes. Yeah.
That's gonna be us for 4 more lipsticks.
Yes.
After every 4 lipstick. After every lipstick. For 4 times. I'm doing it for the first time. Please pardon me, guys.
Yeah.
She is more of a proper YouTuber now. I am not.
But
I just like to talk shit. Are we,
I have
are we,
cotton on my lips.
are we allowed to say shit on YouTube?
No.
The beep,
I'll
then,
beep it.
Then beep it. Oh, why is shit an abusive word, by the way? Because
It is just a natural process.
exactly, that's natural. It's a bowel movement, dude.
Shut up. Let's do this now.
Hi guys. Okay, so now we're gonna do another shade, which is bright pink.
Oh my god.
And I do not like bright pink or bright red. We just like
Wait.
nude shades.
Let's wait for this. One.
I think we should have kept a mirror with ourselves.
कोई बात नहीं. We can see properly. Yes.
We had a very late realization. I can use my phone as well. She.
You know front camera. Okay, I'll hold it for you. Yes.
Princess treatment, guys.
But it looks nice.
It does. But it's just not my vibe.
Now,
Why is it giving an orange tint?
because it is.
It's pink.
It is pink, but it is somehow giving a bit.
Why?
Come closer. It's giving a bit because of maybe your undertone, anemic.
Criminal offensive
Side
side
eye.
eye.
अब मुझे देखना मैं कितनी खराब लगूंगी. Wait, I need.
You're showing people that you do not know my.
I never remember. That's not the case that she don't tell me, but I don't remember. You know, कौन सी memory होती है वो?
Goldfish memory.
Yes, मैं fish memory बोलने वाली थी बस.
Oh, by the way, I have long hair. Just so you guys do not know. Or you thought that I had short hair because. We are back, guys.
Yes. So now, I hope we can compare. It doesn't look even.
It does look bright, but there's a difference in the brightness.
मेरे पे ऐसा लग रहा है जैसे वो ना था. You apply extremely nude shade on
It's
some black
not.
woman. I am the black woman.
If this video gets taken down, I know why.
I did. Sorry, guys, but yeah, it looks really off. Look.
It does not look off.
It look.
It's looking off on my faces.
No,
It's
not. Look,
I didn't look. It's not.
look. It's looking like I want to paint my lips bright. It's looking not.
It's looking the same. It looks
No.
like I also want to paint my lips bright.
No, it suits at least. It can suit in some circumstances. It cannot.
Circumstances.
It cannot anywhere. Okay, so let's
Wipe it
move.
off. Wipe it off.
पूरी वीडियो में वाइप ऑफ ही करते रहेंगे हम लोग.
Wipe it off, guys.
And for your information, this formula is really dry.
Very dry.
Huda Beauty liquid matte. Obviously, liquid matte. और अगर भी हटा नहीं तो हम क्या करें?
Our lips are burning, guys.
Yes.
We do not have any
And for your very
kind of information.
yes.
Do not say anything which is not PG-13.
Yes. That's why I stopped. Oh my god.
Our face, like my face, looks so dull with after removing it because it was so bright.
It's burning.
That is what I'm saying. It's giving a very burning sensation. It's not.
Ah. Okay.
Next shade we have from My Glam.
And I think it's gonna be a disaster for both of us.
I do not want to try it because
But I want her to try this, please.
because
guys.
I tried it.
Yes.
Uh,
But for you
Once.
guys. For only you. Only for your love.
but we have to try it.
Yes.
Why do we do this to ourselves? I just want to know.
Because
Why?
Because we wanna get rich. Soon.
Can we get a YouTube silver play button from just one video? Like
No.
This.
No.
Please, YouTube.
No, YouTube. Well, yes, YouTube if you can. I'm not against it.
It's like they want to give you, but no.
No,
I
I'm
did
not
not
against
put that.
it.
I did not put that much effort, so I'm not gonna have that.
I put efforts, please.
So
I'm recording videos in between my exams, internal exams.
also,
Yes.
I'm also a medical string, guys.
Yes, if you guys don't know.
Dental.
I hope you have guys heard about. Some people have heard about. I have a best friend in IP. There she is. Who's ever interested in IP? She's your super senior now.
Yeah. Hi.
Awkward smile.
Yes. Because I don't know what to say about my college.
You guys can see the color.
I cannot. I do not want to go into the camera where we are recording because I don't want to scare people.
Oh my.
Oh my god, I hate this.
I love this on you.
I hate this.
You know, I wore it.
You applied it.
Yeah, I applied it. No, I wore it when I've done stage performance.
Oh
And
yes, yes.
And that was really dark because
You
of
know
shit.
what? This will look way too pretty if you went for ombre lips. Like this with some other color. And it will
Yeah.
look very pretty. Dude, my lips are dry from the previous shade.
Same. I'm also thinking the same. We don't have any Vaseline. We have Vaseline, but it will gonna ruin it, so we are not gonna
I
apply it.
have.
Why this no perfect shape coming now?
I don't know.
Because our lips are dry right now, and the formula is also really really dry. Because this one, which we tried, was also a matte lipstick, and this is also a matte lipstick. So both gonna have a dry formula. There are very few lipstick who are matte and do not have any dry formula, so it's rare. What is this shape?
I do not know. It's like
I like it. Look, it's giving a very bold, mature vibe.
it's like you've given a lipstick to a kid who has applied it for the first time and do not know how to shape their lips. Because there is no perfect shape coming out of this. It might
Give me your phone.
it might look a little bit fine on camera, like from far away, but it's not that nice.
Why my whole face is red right now?
Because she has hemoglobin 14. I have hemoglobin
Minus 13.
11, guys. Anemic, as you would like to say. No, my hemoglobin has improved. It's now 12. I lie under the fine range now.
That's the minimum to be in.
But I'm not anemic. But people still like to call me anemic. Because apparently there is no blood showing on my face or head either. Like, not agree with that. I think we should have applied a lip balm before this so that it would have given a perfect shape or something. I can apply this lipstick if I go for a black dress and if I want to do a dark feminine shoot for my Instagram.
I like it on my face. क्योंकि मैंने पहले भी use कर रखी है.
Yes, because if you have applied it for your dance performances.
Yeah, and I usually do because I perform.
Yeah. I do not like such bright shades, to be very honest. I
Come
do.
closer. Look, it looks more dark, you know, a bit dark on you than it
Yes.
looks on my face.
Yes.
That is happening with every shade because you have a bright skin and I don't have that much bright skin. Sorry for my voice.
I do not know what to say about this, so I'm just going to skip saying anything.
Yeah, but she looked nice according to me. She looks pretty.
Look, everybody has insecurities. I have my own, and
But you look pretty in my eyes. Look in my eyes.
in your eyes, I am perfect. Shut up.
Yes. So, guys, this is
Just like she's perfect in my eyes.
I was not expecting that, but this is what we have done for today's video,
We did 4 lipsticks, and
and I think that's it.
we are done because our lips are burning now.
Yes.
Probably we should have gone for gloss shades, not matte.
Look at my lips. Yeah.
So this is it for the video. We'll see you guys next time. If there will be a YouTube video for the next time.
there will be a YouTube video
like
for the next
in
time.
collab.
Yes.
She will be putting YouTube videos on her channel, obviously, individually, but for a collab. Let's see.
Bye.
Bye. Have a nice day.
Yes.